welcome. I'm cooking here. I'm gonna cook some eggs. Come on. Alright, let's grab the eggs. Little eggy here. No, the egg. Wait, I need this plate right here. Okay, whatever. I don't care. Hope this cracks. Oh, yeah. Kind of cracks here. It's just that right there. Don't fall. Take a little spoon of garam. I mean salt. Alright, here's the salt. That should be enough, right? Yeah, that should be enough for it. Ta-da! Yes, this should be delicious. Probably my customers are waiting. Let's put that there first. Alright, mix it up. If you do this, don't be too hard. It might spill. I'm actually a little bit scared it will spill. So yeah, hope. Oh no, it almost spilled, guys. That should be enough. Holy, I'm so scared. I'm so scared, guys. Is the pan ready? Right, I am so scared. Wait, guys, wait. So I was saying, I got the stove ready. I am so scared. If you want to do this, need an adult supervision. There's an adult behind me. The pan is very, very hot. Yes. We're going to make scramble. Do you guys ever make scramble? Comment down below. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't really know how to. Oh no! It's almost fall. Wait. Alright. Wow, see the smoking? Yeah, that must be really, really hot. Ah! Sticking. Don't touch the stove. It's really, really hot. Alright. Give me the plate. Turn it off. Alright. Now grab the plate. Let's just put it there. And grab this here. I can feel the heat from here. Ugh. That doesn't look very good. It's fine. Hope it's good enough. Ta-da! Gross scrambled. Whatever. Alright, let's just give it to the customer. Alright, let's go. Hope it's good enough. Grab the the fork. All right. Ta-da!
Thank you, Edgar.
You're welcome. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and make it gray because that's the way. Bye.